Hello friends. The while statement, also known as while loop, is a language construct for creating a loop that runs command block as long as condition is true. In this video, we will discuss in detail about what is PowerShell while loop, details of syntax of while loop, workflow of PowerShell while loop, how to use PowerShell while loop in script, and many more things you will come to know by the end of this video. You can easily see the syntax in slide. While loop syntax is made up of two components, condition and statement list. Condition is enclosed in parentheses and statement list is enclosed in curly brackets as usual. When we run a while statement, PowerShell evaluates the condition section of the statement before entering the statement list section. The condition portion of the statement resolves to either true or false. As long as the condition remains true, PowerShell reruns the statement list section. The statement list section of the statement contains one or more commands that are run each time the loop is entered or repeated if condition is true. This is the workflow of PowerShell while loop. When loop starts, condition is evaluated. If condition is true, then statement list is executed. All the commands which are there in statement list are executed and then loop again returns to condition block. Once condition is true again same things are repeated. If condition becomes false, loop exits. PowerShell while loop reruns again and again as long as our condition is true, but it exits as long as condition becomes false. Let's see a quick demo to understand all these things better. So in this demo, I have listed the action items that we are going to perform. First, we will be doing a demo of using the while loop to return items of an array or collection. Second one will be using PowerShell while loop in an interactive way. First demo. So first of all, let me create an array, maybe with the name list, and let me declare some elements of this array, maybe 15 to 18 numbers, right? So now we need to list the elements of this array using PowerShell while loop. Let me declare some variables that will be the basis for condition evaluation. So let me assign a value of 0 to this variable and let me write the while loop. As you can already remember the syntax, our syntax is like, first of all we have to declare the condition, and our condition is if my this variable is less than equal to the count of elements in the array, then I need to run a statement that is list, and index value would be like I, and I plus plus at each iteration. And now if we try to run this block using individual commands, so first of all let me run first command, and as we can see, like, our array has been declared. If we try to list the elements of this array, we can see it is listing as 15, 16, 17 and 18, right? But we need to list all these elements using while loop. So we will go further. Here we have declared one variable with initial value of 0, right? So now if my condition, like if my variable value is less than the count of elements, if I run this selected block, we can see like count is 4, obviously, because 15, 16, 17 and 18, these are 4 counts only, right? So if my value of I variable is less than 4, then run this statement list, right? Like I need to list the element sitting at index I, and I need to increment the variable value at each iteration, right? So if I run this, as you can see, our elements of array are being listed. So in this way we can use while loop to list the elements of an array, right? So our next demo is like we need to work with while loop in an interactive way. Like we provide some input, and on the basis of that, uh, loop get executed further or it exits further, right? So let me write the command. For that, let me declare a variable first, and let me assign a value of 0 to it, and then let me declare one more variable in which I will be asking for input from user. So I have written this command. Next is I need to write the while loop, and let me pause the video and then write the command so that it can save some time at least. And here I have written the command of while loop, right? So first I have declared a variable. Second, I have also declared a variable for asking input from user whether further need to write the count or not. The answer would be in yes or no, and then I am checking. If my answer is like yes, then I need to run this script block, right? If my answer is other than yes, then my loop would exit, right? So if I run this one by one just to show it easily, here if I run this, it is asking me for some value like write further count. I want yes and enter, right? So it has stored some value inside this variable. If I run this, there is yes, right? So if I run this loop now, so first of all my condition would be evaluated. So because I have already entered the yes value in this variable, so it is true obviously. So if I run this, it has executed the script block and it has given us 0, and further it is asking for a value. I want yes, it has listed me 1. Further I want yes, it has listed yes, it has listed. And if I enter any value other than yes, it would exit, right? So as expected. So in this way we can use PowerShell while loop in an interactive way.